Hello beautiful people, welcome to my beautiful Iran. Stay with me, see the beautiful nature of Iran and hear facts about Iran's nature. Here is Anzali Lagoon in north of Iran. You can watch the videos of Anzali Lagoon in my channel. Number 1. Iran boasts stunning natural landscapes, including towering mountains, expansive deserts, and lush forests. Check out the video of Ruzhan Castle on my channel. Number 2. The diverse ecosystem of Iran featured the surreal salt flats of Dasht-e Kavir, vibrant valleys of Gilan, and the serene shores of the Caspian Sea. Number 3. The country's natural beauty ranges from the snow-capped peaks of the Alborz and Zagros mountains to the tranquil waters of the Persian Gulf, showcasing a symphony of colors and textures. Check out the video of Shahdad on my channel. Number 4. Few places on earth can match the sheer variety of Iran's landscapes, with pristine waterfalls, rock trains, and lush greenery all within its borders. Number 5. Iran is home to some of the world's most diverse landscapes, including the vibrant northern valleys, vast central deserts, and unique geological formations scattered throughout the country. Here is Bazzar in south of Iran. Check out the video of the flute came on my travel in my channel. Number 6. The Hyrcanian Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are ancient forests along the southern coast of the Caspian Sea, known for their biodiversity. Number 7. Lut Desert, one of the hottest places on earth, is known for its unique rock formation and vast sand dunes, earning it a UNESCO World Heritage status. Check out Visadar waterfall and Lut Desert on my channel. Number 8. The Anzali Lagoon in northern Iran is a rich ecosystem that hosts a wide variety of bird species, making it a prime spot for bird watching. Check out my Anzali Lagoon on my channel. Number 9. The Persian Gulf's diverse marine life includes coral reefs, dolphins, and a variety of fish species, making it a fascinating underwater environment. Number 10. Northern Iranian cuisine is renowned for its rich use of fresh herbs, unique local ingredients, and a variety of rice dishes, with specialties like fesenjan, a walnut and pomegranate stew, and Mirza Qasemi, a smoked eggplant dip, being particularly famous.